Hi, Meg. Please unmute yourself once you're ready, Meg.
Tahu Kak? Oh, ada.
Hi, Meg. Good
Hello,
evening.
teacher.
How are you? Wait, did you
I'm
cut
fine.
your hair? Did you cut your hair? Oh, because I see it's shorter now. Okay, it suits you, man. You look handsome. Well, you are always handsome. Okay, so how are you feeling? Are you okay? Are you sleepy? Are you tired? Are you hungry? No. Okay, so let me share my screen, Meg. And yes, we will continue talking about the rooms. Okay, so again, we have bedroom, bathroom, living room, and kitchen. Okay, so now let us have the activity. And in here, all you have to do is to tell me how many items can we find in each room. Okay, like for example, there's one bed where? In the bedroom. Or you can say there are two beds in the bedroom. Now, can you tell me how many beds?
One.
Okay, can you answer in a complete sentence, Ming? There's one bed in the bedroom.
Is one bed in the bedroom.
Okay, how many clocks?
In the two clock. In the
There.
bedroom.
Yes, there are two clocks in the bedroom. How many chairs? How many chairs? See,
Uh,
how many chairs?
one chair.
Is it just
Two,
one?
two chair in the bedroom.
Is it
Is
bedroom?
a
It's the bathroom.
is a bedroom.
Yes, so we'll say there are two chairs in the bathroom. How many clocks? How many clocks? What are you doing, Ming? How many clocks? Here.
Is one clock in the bedroom.
In bathroom, Ming, not
Is
bedroom.
a bedroom.
Okay, yes, that is right. Now, how many sofas? How many sofas?
Uh, three sofa. Is
Do we
a
have three? We only have one sofa, Meg. There's one sofa in the living room. Just this one. This one is not a sofa, Meg. This is a
is
table.
one
And this
sofa.
one, it's an armchair, right? So there's one sofa in the living room. Now, how many bookshelves? How many bookshelves, Meg?
It's you.
Okay, can you answer? There are two. Answer in a complete sentence, Meg.
It, there are two bookshelves.
In In where?
In
In the...
a living room.
Okay, very good. Now, let us proceed to the next one. Can you tell me how many tables? How many tables? How many tables, Meng?
1 table.
Answer in a complete sentence, Meng. Not one table.
There 1 table in the living room.
Is it living room? Not living room, right? What room is it?
Kitchen.
Yes, kitchen. Okay, so how many chairs? How many chairs, Meng?
4 chairs in the. There are 4 chairs in the
Chairs?
kitchen.
Okay, now since we have four, Meng, we will not say chair. We will say chairs, okay? Chairs. If it's only one, Meng, we'd say chair. But in here we have four, right? So we'll say chairs. Okay, chairs. Now let us have this one. Okay, are there two beds in the bedroom? You have to answer yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Now, can you tell me, are there two beds in the bedroom, Meng?
There are.
Yes,
There
there
are
are, or
2
no, there. What is your
beds.
answer?
There
Yes,
are
there
2.
are, or no, there aren't.
Yes, there are.
Okay, yes, there are. Now, there are two sofas in the living room.
2 sofa. I know there are.
There are four chairs in the kitchen. There are four chairs in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Are there four chairs in the kitchen, Meng?
Ý con dụ đi.
Are there
Yes,
four
there are.
chairs? Yes, there are. Okay, now there are three tables in the bathroom. Are there three tables, Meng?
There are 1 table.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, no, there aren't. Are there three tables in the bathroom, Meng? No.
No, there aren't.
Yes, no, there aren't. Okay, so now let us have the singing activity, Meng. Are there beds in the bedroom? Okay, let us sing this one real quick.
Page 55. D. Sing. Are there beds in the bedroom?
Are there beds in the bedroom?
Yes, there are.
Are there chairs in the kitchen?
Yes, there are.
Are there bookshelves in the living room?
Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are.
Are there bikes in the bedroom?
No, there aren't.
Are there sofas in the kitchen?
No, there aren't.
Are there
there
beds in the bathroom?
No, there aren't. No, there aren't. No, there aren't. No, there aren't.
Are there beds in
In the bedroom?
Yes,
Yes, there are. Are there chairs in the kitchen?
Yes,
Yes, there are. Are there bookshelves in the living room? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are. Yes, there are.
Are there bikes in the
In the
bedroom?
bedroom? No, there aren't.
Are there
Are there
sofas
sofas
in
in
the
the
kitchen?
kitchen?
No,
No,
there
there
aren't.
aren't.
Are
Are
there
there
beds
beds
in the
in the bathroom?
bathroom? No,
No,
there
there
aren't.
aren't.
No,
No,
there
there
aren't.
aren't.
No,
No,
there
there
aren't.
aren't.
No,
No,
there
there
aren't.
aren't. Okay, so that ends the singing activity, Meg. So now let us have your workbook. Okay, so we have here a puzzle. Can you tell me what room is it, Meg? What
Living
room
room.
is it? Yes, very good. What room is it?
Bedroom.
What room is it?
Bed.
Is it
Kitchen.
bedroom? Kitchen, not
Kitchen.
chicken. Okay, kitchen. And the last one. It's the... What room is it, Meg?
Bathroom.
Very good. Okay, so now I want you to look at pictures in A and in circle. It's a yes or no. Like for example, there are two bookshelves in the bedroom. Okay, see, we have two bookshelves here, so we'll say yes. Now there's one clock in the bathroom. There's one clock in the bathroom. Is it yes or no? There's
Yes.
one clock. Yes. Okay, now there's one computer in the kitchen. There's one computer in the kitchen. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes? No, we don't have one computer here. We have two computers, right? See, one, two. Okay, next one now. There's one sofa in the bedroom. There's one sofa in the bedroom. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, where is the sofa? Where is the sofa in the
No.
bedroom? No, yes, that's correct. Now, there are two clocks in the living room. There are two clocks in the living room. Yes or no?
No. Yes.
No, no. We don't have
Yes.
clocks here, right? See? We don't have any clocks. Okay, now next one. There's one table in the kitchen. There's one table in the kitchen. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, yes. Thank you, Meg. Next one now. In here you have to construct questions and answer those questions. Like for example, are there two clocks in the bathroom? Yes, there are. See, one, two. Now, are there two computers in the what room is it, Meg? Are there two computers in the what room is it?
In the living room. Yes. Yeah.
Very good. Now, what about for three?
Vậy
Are
four
there?
table in the living room.
Is it
In
living room?
the kitchen. No, they
No,
aren't.
there aren't. Very good. Last one, Meg. Last one.
Yeah.
Are there?
They are three
Are
bed
there?
in the bedroom. In the bedroom. No,
Mm-hmm.
they aren't.
Okay, very good, Ming. Thank you. Now, let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 6, Lesson 2. For a moment, Ming, let me prepare this one real quick and we will start. Okay, for a moment. Okay, now can you fill in the gap using the word bank, Ming? There are two blanks in the bathroom. What is your
There are
answer?
two
What do you
clock in the bathroom.
think? Clock or clocks? Is it clock or clocks? Can you encircle your answer, Meng? Is it clock without S or clocks with S?
Clocks.
Okay, yes, very good. There are two clocks in the bathroom. Next one.
There are four chairs.
Chair or chairs?
Chairs.
Okay, yes, that's right, Meg. Next one, there's one.
There one table.
Okay, very good. There's one table in the kitchen. What about for this?
There are two computer.
Computer or computers?
Computers.
Okay, yes, that's right, Meg. Now, can you fill in the gap, Meg? There's one bed in the...
There is one bed in the
There's one bed in the... Where? Where can we see a bed, Meg?
there is one bed in the bedroom.
Okay, yes, that is right. In the bedroom. Now there are two sofas in the...
There are two sofas in the There are two sofas in the living room.
Okay, yes, very good. Next one, there are 6 chairs in the... There are 6 chairs in the... Where can we find 6 chairs, Meng?
There are six chairs in the bedroom.
Is it
Bathroom.
bedroom? Bathroom? Are you sure, Meng? We don't need 6 chairs in the bathroom, right? But we do need it in the kitchen. Okay, next one. Are there 2 bookcases in the bathroom, Meng? Are there 2 bookcases in the bathroom?
No, there are.
Okay, yes, very good. Now, are there 2 computers in the kitchen?
Yeah, two computer in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
yes, there are. Thank you. Now, are there two beds in the living room?
Yeah, two bed in the living room. No, they aren't.
Very good. That's right, Meng. Are there four chairs in the kitchen?
Yeah, they are.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next one. Are there three tables in the bedroom?
Let's see. Yeah.
Are there three tables in the bedroom?
Yeah. Tea table in the bedroom. No, they are.
Very good. No, there aren't. Okay, thank you so much, Meg. Now, since we're done with that activity, then we'll move on to another topic now. Okay, for a moment. Okay, so we have here a story with a title Surprise. Let us watch this one first. Okay.
The living room's messy. Let's clean up. Okay. There's a sock on the sofa. There are books under the table.
What are they doing?
I don't know.
Surprise!
Wow!
Thank you.
Okay, there you have it. Now, the value of that story, Meng, is to be helpful. As you can see, when they went to the living room, it looks very messy. That's why they helped each other to clean up the mess, Meng. And now, when mom and dad woke up, they're really happy seeing that it is tidy. Okay, so now, Meng, let us have this one. Listen and number. Okay, let us start.
Page 57. B. Listen and number. 1,
The living room's messy.
Okay, the living room's messy. Which picture shows? Yeah, which picture shows that conversation, Meg? The living room's messy. Where should we write one?
I don't know.
The living room's messy. Is it this picture, this one, this, or this? Okay, yes, that one. Next one now.
2,
There's a sock on the sofa. There are books under the table.
Okay. Very good.
3. I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, yes. Oh, you
4,
change your answer, Meg.
Surprise!
Okay. Yes, there you have it. Surprise. Now, let us have the singing activity, Meg. Let's clean up.
Page 57. C. Sing. Let's clean up.
The living
The
room's
living room
messy,
messy, let's clean up. Okay.
The living
The
room's
living room
messy,
messy,
let's
let's clean up. Okay. We have fingers, we have hands, we can clean up. Yes, we can. The living room's messy, let's clean up. Okay.
Bathroom! The
The
bathroom's
bathroom's
messy, let's clean up.
clean up. Okay.
The bathroom's
Bathroom's
messy,
messy,
let's
let's
clean
clean
up.
up. Okay. We have fingers, we have hands, we can clean up. Yes, we can. The bathroom's messy, let's clean up. Okay.
Bedroom! The
The
bedroom's
bedroom's
messy,
messy,
let's clean up.
Okay.
The
The
bedroom's
bedroom's
messy,
messy,
let's clean up.
Okay. We have fingers, we have hands, we can clean up. Yes, we can. The bedroom's messy, let's clean up.
Okay.
And there you have it, Meng. That ends our class for tonight. Thank you so much, Meng, and enjoy the rest of the night. Good night, Meng. Goodbye, Meng.
Goodbye, teacher.